Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Christine, my MGTF. So cool because she tried to kill me about 7 years ago. Some new tyres and a bit of wheel alignment, and her road manners ever since have been an awful lot better. She is looking a bit tatty at the moment though, poor girl. So one of the problems she has got is a ripped rear screen. So this should be a pretty quick video just to show how to get the screen out. It will then go off, get refurbished, and when I get the nice shiny new one back, it will be riveted back in place, and hopefully she'll be looking a lot neater and actually slightly more waterproof as well, all being well. Inside the car there are 5 clips holding the screen down, so I've released those, and now I'm going to undo the zip. Right, that was a lot easier than it looked. It's nasty and grubby, but actually the zip is okay. Along the bottom here is a row of rivets, so the next job is going to be to drill those out. Now it's coming apart, I can see how everything's held in place. Very simple. We have this metal strip, the rivets go through that, go through the screen, and then go into the structure of the roof itself. And here we have it, one screen. This is where it's come apart. I thought initially that it had actually been torn. It looks like it possibly hasn't been. It looks like it's just stitching's come apart. But the plastic itself is pretty horrible anyway. It's probably original, so 22, 23 years old. And you can't see through it when sat in the car looking at the back, just can't see through it. So this is going to go off to a company in Northern Ireland near Belfast. And hopefully in a week or so I'll have it back, and all being well, it will have a nice new bit of clear plastic in it, and be a very useful, for the sake of 70 quid, very useful upgrade. I'm pleased to say it's back. I think from taking it off to sending it off to having it returned to me was about 10, maybe 11 days. So that's not too bad, really. It looks absolutely brilliant. It does look good, I have to say. So the other one basically I couldn't see through the old screen at all, whereas this is crystal clear. So just need to get it back on the car. The air riveter certainly made that an easy job. Took a little bit of pulling around, but it wasn't too difficult at all. It was actually really quite straightforward. So I think next thing to do is tuck it inside the roof, rezip it, attach the Velcro, and then I think that is job done. Right, I have to say for less than £100 this was well worth doing. Pretty simple job, nice and easy, especially with the air riveter. That tool is fantastic. The one thing that it does require is a foam seal underneath here, so that's something that I will sort out. But apart from that, job done, massive upgrade. And thank you very much for watching. Keep an eye out on the channel, because in the next few weeks there'll be a series of 4 videos showing all the work I've done on the front of this car. I've had the subframe out and put the new suspension, poly bushes, cleaned it all up, painted it, very similar to what I did for the rear subframe. So keep an eye out for that, because that's coming soon. Okay, cheers, thanks for watching, bye.